now, ladies and gentlemen, the person who I said is responsible for bringing the entire Indian film industry together. And he is one of our favorite storytellers. That's what he calls himself. Give it up for Mr. S. Rajamouli, please. She is someone जो भी किरदार निभाती हैं उसके स्किन के अंदर चली जाती हैं. And she is the very gorgeous, the very talented Alia Bhatt. एक नारी सब पे भारी. So, ladies and gentlemen, Alia Bhatt. Welcome, Alia. And now, ladies and gentlemen, versatility जो है वो उनका दूसरा नाम है. You know who I am talking about. Give it up for Mr. Ajay Devgan. तो चलें अब इवेंट को आगे बढ़ाएं. अच्छा sir, I can't do the honors. Sir, ये मेरे बस की नहीं है because this is going to be huge. So I request all you wonderful people to do the honors, sir. अब किसको बुलाना है?
Yeah, invite my buddy.
So in the meantime, sir, what would you like to say to that response जो अभी मिला, sir? Thunderous response.
Yeah, when we get this kind of response, usually we don't respond. No, we just sit and enjoy it fully. The response is what we have been waiting for, like almost 3 years now, and just waiting for these kind of moments. We make films for these kind of moments, and it is fantastic.
And is it true, sir, that nobody else had seen the trailer aaj se pehle? Because a little birdie told me that. Is it true?
No. I mean, we released it. We had to release it because we were playing in the theaters and some of the images leaked. So we had to play it. But yes, of course, you are the first people to watch it on the big screen.
Yes, we are the first people. We are the lucky ones. We are the chosen ones. Please have a seat, sir. Okay, before I open the house for media interaction, Alia, this one's for you. As I said, एक नारी सब पे भारी. You're just killing it in that frame. जैसी आपकी entry होती है, what do you have to say on that? And this amazing mix of the crew, the amazing people here on stage.
मैं obviously अपनी खुद की entry के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. But honestly, it's a magical moment for me. It's just being a part of Rajamouli film spectacle. Oh my God! Like I don't think I would have ever expected this to actually come true, and it did. So thank you for that, sir. And yeah, I'm just awaiting now the people's response and waiting for the film to release. I can't, like, after seeing the trailer, I have like fallen off my chair.
Right.
So yeah, I can't wait for the film to release.
Talking about the response, और क्या चाहिए? कुर्ते फड़वाओगे आप यहाँ पे? Like it was mind blowing जो हल्ला गुल्ला हुआ है. You know, it was amazing. Ajay sir, this one's for you. Please tell us, आपके entry पे sir special हल्ला गुल्ला वहाँ से हुआ. कौन चला रहा था? We have some amazing fans here. So what do you have to say about this collaboration?
I'm just very grateful. I mean, क्या कहूँ मैं? बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Love you all too. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब ऐसा response मिलता है. Obviously इसी वजह से तो हम काम करते हैं. इसी के लिए तो हम काम करते हैं. So thank you so much.
है ना? हमारे साथ भी ऐसे ही हुआ.
बाद में अकेले में मिलना.
तब सटकेगी भी और रिजल्ट भी मिलेगा. एनटीआर जूनियर साहब, जय एनटीआर.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
What do you have to say about this response? और सर ऐसा हिंदी फिल्मों में सर स्वागत करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मैं ले सकता हूँ. I'll take that opportunity of welcoming you here. So what do you have to say, sir?
Well, first of all, thank you so much. As I call him Jackana, yaar. I can't call him Rajmouli. You know, for me, it's Jackana always. So Jackana is this great sculptor. So I don't know, you know, when we started our relationship together a few years ago, I don't know, Jackana just stuck in my head, and it was only Jackana for then, from then. But yeah, you know, as you said, you know, when such trailers come out, you just want to listen to the response rather than say anything about it. And it's my first interaction with the media here. So nervous, very nervous. Yeah, first interaction with them. Very nervous, makes me feel I've gone back 20 years again in the industry. Well, looking forward. Thank you so much.
You know, I remember launching the Glimpse, rather, it was a collaboration with PVR and RRR. We were here, Sir was here. He was very humble that day also, और आज भी वैसे ही हाल है. And I had posted a couple of pictures. Sir, उसके बाद मेरे को स्टार वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी. आपका तो मैं कह भी नहीं सकता कहाँ होगा, because your fan following is, I don't have words, sir. What do you have to say to all
Truly
the fans,
blessed.
sir? यहाँ पे
Truly
ये जो बैठे
blessed.
हैं.
Thank you so much, guys. Truly, truly blessed. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Truly blessed.
It's so good to have you all here. Thank you so much. And now it's over to the media. I know आप लोगों के बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. So shoot.